What's going on, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Serge. Welcome to the channel. To all my reoccurring viewers, thank you so much for all the love and support that each and every single one of you have shown this channel. I greatly appreciate it. Please, if you have not yet, feel free to hit that like button for me, smash that subscribe button if you haven't, and let's just go ahead and jump into the topic of this video. Now, many of you are probably wondering what this major change in my life is. And if you're interested, this major change is actually going to be discussed or actually be followed on, and I'll be documenting it all on a different channel just because I want to keep this channel strictly for assisted living, business type videos. For any future videos that I put out on this channel, I will continue to put videos out on this channel. But this new major change, you guys can go check out the new channel up here, and then also it'll be the first link in the description box if you guys want to go check it out. But this major change really had to do with something that's been on my heart for a very long time, about a year and a half in the making, something that I had been working towards and striving for. I didn't ever really think it was going to be possible, but I am definitely very excited to be doing this major change. And I will say that this major change wasn't something that was just done overnight, or the decision was just made like very rapidly and impulsive. It was something that I have thought about a lot about, and even from a financial aspect, I thought a lot about, because I knew that in order for me to actually pursue this thing, it was going to take a lot of sacrifices up front in order for me to be able to do it and to be able to pursue it and to actually enjoy it rather than be stressed out about other ways of like things that were going to affect me enjoying it, right? Like things of like freedom, money, things that we all strive for, to make sure that we can pursue our dreams and enjoy it. With that being said, though, I do really appreciate everyone who has supported this channel. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys have been so supportive. You guys have been so awesome, and I'm very grateful. And we're going to continue growing this channel. We're going to continue growing the other channel. We're going to continue being a community and a family. And I'm here to continue to help everybody and to help you guys and inspire you guys to chase your dreams and chase your goals no matter what. And I do want to say, though, that for me to make this major change wasn't something that a lot of people really saw me doing. I didn't really think that I was going to be able to do it. And with that, though, I want to tell everyone who's watching this video that you guys can chase your dreams, you guys can chase your goals, you guys can do anything you set your heart on, as long as you guys stay patient, put in the time, put in the energy. I believe wholeheartedly in visualization and manifestation. Yes, you do have to put in the work and you do have to be patient, but visualize yourself achieving whatever goal or dream that you have. I actually have, like, no joke, a vision board just right over here, with this specific goal in mind. And then it's also, this thing is also the background to my phone. One of the backgrounds is the home screen. And it's something that I sit at night and I visualize about a lot, because it is something that I really want to do. And you guys are all probably like, Serge, what is it you're doing? Just go check out the other channel and go subscribe and go like the first video. I will be putting another video out after this one on that channel, so it'll be the second video. You guys can go watch this one and then the other one to figure out exactly what it is that I'm talking about. I just want to keep the suspense up so you guys can actually go watch it. I think you guys will really enjoy this different side of me. It's more, this other channel is going to be more of like a vlogging style channel rather than me sitting here and explaining very informative things about a certain industry like the assisted living industry and other business industries that I'm in. But regardless, though, I think you guys will all enjoy the new channel. I think having you guys support the new channel means the world to me, and just continue supporting this other channel. It's going to mean the world to me as well, and it always has. And I'm always just going to take you guys on these journeys of that I'm going through in life. You know, making these different decisions, making these different changes is exciting, but it's also really nice to show you guys that I'm a simple person that each of you hopefully can resonate with, and I think that's what truly matters. And I think for anyone that is striving to do whatever it is to do on their heart, just know that it's possible. I didn't think 3 years ago when I moved out to Arizona that this would have even been possible to do, this thing that I'm doing. It was definitely not something that I even comprehended. And even 3 years ago, I didn't even think anything of it. It only came a year and a half ago, this whole idea and this whole plan and this goal. So to see how things change and how your goals change and how your priorities change and how different things change in your life, and as you grow as a person, it is very it's amazing to see, truly. And I think for any person who is feeling kind of stuck or feeling kind of in a rut or feeling like they're dead inside because they can't pursue something that they really want to pursue, just know that you can pursue it. Know you just need to make a decision and then act on that decision to get you closer to that goal. And that's truly what you need to do day in and day out, and just stay consistent with it. But with that being said, though, I do want to say that from the bottom of my heart that you all have been so great, and I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you. And again, go watch this other channel, go subscribe. I think you guys will all like the new venture that I'm getting into. Well, not a venture, it's more of just a personal thing to me. Another goal that I had my eyes and even my heart set on to achieve, and now I'm able to achieve it, and I think you guys will all enjoy it. And yeah, thank you again for all the love and support. If you have not yet, please hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Go watch all these other videos up here. And again, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I will talk to you all in the next video. God bless.